Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're at Tannum Sands. We're here with the Threadz. It's a local band and we are doing a new music video, so it'll be good. It's a bit of a behind the scenes, so yeah, let's get to it. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. So the first thing we did is we had a conversation with all the band members, make sure they're all in check, they know what they're doing, and we talked about the different takes, the different angles that we were going to take, and also how long the song was, and all the most important parts as well, to make sure that we capture it using close-ups and also by using mid shots and establishing shots. Smithy, how's it all going, mate?
Ready,
doing
mate.
Sound check?
Ready to do it, I think.
Awesome, mate. Awesome. The location I chose was an open field. It was an open paddock. It's close to our house, so we didn't have to travel too far. But it's got a bit of a backdrop. It's Australian bush backdrop, and I thought it was going to go well with the theme of the actual song. In order to actually sync the clips to the actual music, we had to record the actual song inside or indoors. We did that first, and so we just did it on an iPhone. Then we brought it out and we connected all the amps and we played it. All the band members, they were listening to the actual song that they recorded a few hours beforehand, and they were just syncing pretty much to the beat. And so from those clips, I was able to actually superimpose the different actions to the actual song itself. What we did to actually get some power out there was we got an inverter and we plugged it into one of the car batteries, left the car running so we don't actually waste any of their batteries, so they can actually start the car again. And yeah, so that's how we powered it all up. I had two cameras. I had a wide angle lens and a telephoto lens. I also had Chrissy Harris from Chrissy Harris Photography. She came over and helped out as well, so she was manning one of the cameras. And then basically we got the band members to actually play the song 5 or 6 times in full, so from the start right down to the end, and we rolled the two cameras from the start to the end, just so that later on I could actually sync the different soundtracks to the clips. We also got the drone out, so we got some nice high shots as well, some establishing shots. And then we got the gimbal out, the 3-axis gimbal, the Zion crane, and we pretty much moved around, got in close into the action, just to make sure we covered all angles from the close-ups all the way down to the end. So the band members are actually recording the song that we used professionally in the next few days at the Crow Street Creative. It's basically a music and arts festival that occurs once a month in Gladstone. So yeah, they'll have it professionally recorded. Alright guys, we're here at Crow Street Creative and we're just doing a sound check, last minute sound check, and hopefully everything will go good. And that's when we actually record the sounds.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you guys want to see the final video, I've linked it down in the description below. Have a look and let me know what you think. Overall, I think the music video turned out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a couple of things though that I would have done differently. The first one being I would have gotten the band members to actually record the professional song first rather than using the song that we used at one of the band members' place. Just in case there were some subtle differences between the two, the timing would have been a bit different, and syncing the actual clips to the music would have been a little bit challenging, especially when you're working with two different song clips. So the second thing I would have done is always check your settings. So 2 of my cameras were fine, but the third camera, I'd shot a wedding just previously a few days ago and I still had it on tungsten for white balance, and so all the footage actually turned out a little bit blue. I have color corrected it, but I guess I had to spend a fair bit of time color correcting all the different clips from all the different cameras. So always check your settings. It's one of those things. rookie mistake, but hey, you learn from your mistakes, and yeah, so there you go. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the music video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.